Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tubi on Firestick step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Firestick device. Make sure it is connected to your television and Wi-Fi. From the home screen, navigate to the search icon at the top left corner. Type in Tubi using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Tubi app from the search results. Click on the download or get button to begin the installation. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, click on Open to launch the Tubi app. You will see an activation screen with a unique code. Take note of this code, as you will need it later. Now, grab your mobile device or computer and open a web browser. Go to the official Tubi activation website. In the designated field, enter the activation code displayed on your Firestick. Click on the Activate button to proceed. You may be prompted to sign in or create a Tubi account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once your account is verified, return to your Firestick. The Tubi app should refresh automatically. You will now have access to watch content on Tubi. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.